Okay, so it's nighttime right now, and I have this V3 connected. And look at this. Look at the picture here. I mean, this is the live view. It's like a black and white picture in daytime. It's right now. It's on infrared LEDs set to the far mode, which means that it's on full intensity. It has two settings. It can be low intensity also, which is the near mode, and it's a different set of infrared LEDs that it uses in both cases. In near mode, the infrared LEDs are not even visible on the camera, so you could use it for like baby monitoring or something. But in the far mode, you can see the infrared light on the camera. But I mean, look at this, it's amazing. Let's see if I can compare it with what it was on V2. Here we go. So as you can see, this is how it used to look like. Now there is some kind of reflection here. You can see this is because of the casing that it was in. Now casing didn't have anything on front of the lens though, but I think this is from the reflection of infrared light from the top of the casing that was causing this kind of reflection. But in any case, the picture quality, you can tell the difference between this versus V3. I mean, it's just unbelievable. It's amazing. Let's go back to V3 and compare it again. And look at this, it's night and day difference. So, and let's see, so this is, I'm currently set to far mode to use the infrared LEDs in the far mode. If you change it to near, it becomes a slightly darker, as you can see in the picture here. So, since it's looking out to the street, I would keep it in far setting. But here's the coolest part of it. Look at this. So this is using infrared LEDs. So let's turn off using the infrared LEDs. So there are no LEDs used at all. It's just looking outside in the dark. And this is what it's seeing. This is because of the Starlink sensor it has. It can see in the dark, and it has a very low aperture. Because of that, it's the hole to let the light enter into the lens, it's very big, so it's letting a lot of light come in, and then the sensor itself is very sensitive, and then it has some kind of processing probably to reduce the noise and all this. So it's giving such a wonderful picture at night. And for comparison again, let me show you how it looks like. So this is my camera on the phone, and as you can see, it's so dark that it's struggling with focusing out there. And this is what a normal camera is gonna see. What V3 is seeing instead is an amazing picture. So this is the live view right now, and it's like crystal clear. So I don't even have to turn on the infrared LEDs. So I have to decide what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep them off, or I'm gonna use the infrared LEDs. I mean, they are both very clear views. This is like colored vision. That's what they were talking about when they said that the colored night vision, and it is amazing. I really like it. So yeah, I mean, if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.